If you want to transfer your Chrome downloads to IDM, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to install the IDM extension in Chrome so your downloads can be managed more smoothly. This is a simple setup, and once it's done, you'll be able to connect Chrome with Internet Download Manager in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can find settings, tools, and extensions. From the menu, hover over extensions. When you do that, Chrome will show a submenu with more options related to browser add-ons. In that submenu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store where you can safely search for and install browser extensions. Now that the Chrome Web Store is open, go to the search bar and type IDM. Press enter or click the search icon to load the results. You should see different results appear, so make sure you look for the correct one. Click on IDM Download Manager from the results. This is the extension you need if you want Chrome to work with IDM more easily. Once you open the extension page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click Add to Chrome to start the installation process. After that, Chrome will display a permission pop-up. This is completely normal because the extension needs permission to work with your browser. Take a moment to review the prompt, then click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will automatically download and install the extension for you. Once the installation is finished, the IDM extension should now be added to Chrome. At this point, your browser is ready to work with IDM, and you can continue setting up your downloader manager if needed. That's really all there is to it. So, just to recap, you opened Chrome, went to Extensions, visited the Chrome Web Store, searched for IDM, selected IDM Download Manager, clicked Add to Chrome, and then confirmed with Add Extension. After that, Chrome installed it automatically. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.